everyone, welcome back to Hosana Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with Mzansi Soapy Stories, and namhlanje sikhuluma ngeThonga. Well guys, this is the last week yeThonga guys. The finale episode izobeke Friday. So guys, iThonga abayirenewanga ke for season 2, so liyaphela iThonga, angeke lize libuye for season 2. Lizokwenzeka ukuthi ke inimba lizosuka laphana ke kwislot sika9 liyongena ke eslothini ke seThonga ngo 8:30. I hope ukuthi ke nizo enjoy ke lawo ma changes. So guys, guys, I'm here to update ukuthi ke yini unga expect le live ezoqala. Into eyenzekayo guys ukuthi ke uSanele is busy raising money to rescue his wife uMbali, and guys uzoqhamuka ke ihintanyana ezoveza ukuthi uMbali kuphi nendawo and uzothatha ke isibhamu ahambe ayohlasela khona lapha. Bathi kuphinda ingqondo izobuya ke bese ke ifuna ukumdedela uMbali without ke abakantanzi knowing uzofika kuSanele bese kusuka okukhulu ukudubulana ke phakathi kwabo, badubulane but ke guys, the happy ending ithi ke a final showdown ensues and the king falls as he finally account for his sins. So guys, I assume ukuthi ke uNtanzi ke uzoshona kulokho akudubulana ke ukuzobe kukhona, uzoshona guys uNtanzi akhokheleke izono zakhe. Kudale wina guys, dale bolela abantu wina ke uNtanzi, bathi ke peace will be restored, bese bethi new life is breathed into the Dladla and Mugaza families while two souls finally becomes one. So I assume guys ukuthi ke though fast track ke le episode ya Friday kuzabe ingane kaSanele noMbali bese ke nabo ke bayashada babe munye. So iphela kanjalo guys iThonga. I hope ukuthi ni enjoyile as much as bekhala ngokuthi ke abadlali bona yibona kodwa storyline akusisona. So that brings us to the end of this video. To leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.